Guys, I'm in Berry and I've just discovered this magnificent Camellia sasanqua hedge. And the reason why camellias grow so beautifully in Berry is it rains here a lot. As you know, Berry is so beautiful and green. And camellias, they love water. They also love good soil. So if you're going to improve the soil and you're going to water them a lot, then you may end up with a beautiful hedge like this too. Camellia sasanquas, in the olden days, they were always used for hedges. And look how good they can look, and you can see why. Camellia sasanquas flower all through autumn and into winter. They're fast growing, beautiful glossy green foliage. You can trim that at any width or at any height. They can grow 5-6 metres high if you're young enough to see that happen. But it's a brilliant hedge. Camellia sasanquas, much faster growing and much more sun tolerant than Camellia japonica, so make sure you don't get those two mixed up. We've got them in the nursery. Come and check them out now. Camellia sasanquas make great hedges.